Hello kids, in this video we will learn some 2D shapes. So let's start. It is black color. It is heart. It is up down arrow. It is oval. Rectangle. It is rounded corner square. It is chevron arrow. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is orange color. It is light green color. It is red color. Violet color. Blue color. Yellow color. Now let us color these shapes. Green color. It is heart. Orange color. It is up down arrow. Red color. It is oval. It is violet color. It is rectangle. It is blue color. It is rounded corner square. It is yellow color. It is chevron arrow. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is heart, green color, up down arrow, orange color, oval, red color, rectangle, violet color, rounded corner, square, blue color, chevron arrow, yellow color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.